Hello. I'm honored to be here. I'm not someone who likes to speak very much, but I am very passionate about intercultural and interfaith building bridges. I am a prayer chaplain at Unity of Stuart. I am a student of the Course in Miracles, and I am co-founder of the Interfaith Alliance of the Treasure Coast. One of my core beliefs is that we are all connected to our Creator and to each other. The belief that we are separate from one another is the cause of many of our problems. As people of faith, it is imperative that we start coming together. Let us be the change we want to see in the world. I am going to share the prayer of St. Francis. Lord, make me an instrument of your peace. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. Where there is injury, pardon. Where there is doubt, faith. Where there is despair, hope. Where there is darkness, light. Where there is sadness, joy. O Divine Master, grant that I may seek not so much to be consoled as to console, to be understood as to understand, to be loved as to love. For it is in giving that we receive, it is in pardoning that we are pardoned, and it is dying that we are born to eternal life. Imagine the kind of world and country we would have if each of us made it our own personal responsibility to live this prayer. Maybe St. Francis in his prayer is pointing us in the direction to be the change we want to see in the world. Unity was based on prayer. We believe in the power of prayer, praying with faith, praying with the divine presence of love, and trusting that your prayer is being answered for the highest good of everyone. Love is always the healing force, not just the kind of romantic love or love for family and friends, not even unconditional love, as great as that is, but a divine love, the love that binds all of creation to its creators and to one another. I experienced a touch, a glimpse of that divine love when I was very close to death. It was beyond any feeling or experience I can even describe here on this earthly plane. I'm not even sure if we human beings are capable of this kind of love. However, divine intervention, that divine presence of love, can work in our hearts to extend this love, to heal our divisions, and to bring us back to the awareness of our oneness. Naomi Judge wrote a song that deeply touches my heart. I am going to end with the refrain from that song. Love can build a bridge between your heart and mine. Love can build a bridge. Don't you think it's time? Don't you think it's time?
Thank you so much. Thank you.